Ebzavo high GC News, Bima Obibia Aquaba. Hadia latest and hot news. Amqua Eramede Bremo. Anuti someone subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say obe subscribe. The obe say obe click a subscribe button. Now wabele a year notification. We understand video for Frobia be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka a year video. Afei we are now like video give us a thumbs up na afei share ma ofoforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom afei yentie eye sa report ya ababeto ya yentie eye sansemi yentie
free na na joba saibu the kind of course and information I have about the meat petrol now what asem we intro one ka kire o so mo ko Jubilee one ka kire o Sammy ka kitchen ka ba ko baba ko aso I'm telling you Sabu, me say the tweet where they say the oka bi anka se franco say me say e ka ketuwa bi anka number 1 bon number 2 aso ka number 1 e bon number 2 aso so wo me ka sam chewa wuntie I told you to call your people to order ya go information na for call information identity na defeat ya aba na ebeka power no enyan chenyi hand completely na ensema APP and the power ni chenyi hand oh man class am me say I know one national executive empire wo bonya say on the 7th of January your mama take care of any onya so muya wo ba tin sem okroma and the Bawumia so claim say na man lusu ye say me say MPP presidential candidate e call election lusu on people better what e dia na me ko fanye ni he want to blame on someone. Yes. Now to tap. If you could phone a born another buga, and then Bawumia so a claiming teams a claim say they don't have any substance. They don't have any locus to say that. They don't have any locus to say that. Sisi, it is our duty and responsibility to enlighten Ghanaians. My main can't say back control. Today I want to be factual. I want to be open. I want to be blunt and tell you the truth. Now the down call Akufo Addo happen. Bawumia so happen na na do happen and the Bawumia party chichimu one na na do call Akufo Addo suppress the will of the people no mo mpe Bawumia me cut us any promote 37% na Kennedy organic yeah apart from Bawumia ni pe bi onya vote to be any organic but if you look at Bawumia they suppress the will of the people because there is a hand of God need Jubilee house we are pushing when you Asante Bediatuo me gabby mo and your friend is ofori Atta they are pushing in making sure that any power they want to control him. Now, me can say me just go and do empirical research. There is no president. The chairman and vice president. About 98% of them they go to election, they lose. In America, Kamala Harris. They lose. When do you? They just ended one. They lose. Reason in say you are part and parcel of the vehicle. What the car be? Every I made no be a driver. One of them taking concrete decisions in the car. It's a car now. Copy my didn't say the car. There be young for car. Too look straight into the eyes of Bawumia and told him, "So will be true for one fa." How true for so are they? Or catch us in true for. Catch now say, "Kwaya won't call for na first of all your monomano." It will bring confusion and chaos in the party. Why? What do you say? Now the down call. Do say sometimes we might have issues with him. But Akufo Addo catch a Bawumia call for and say, "Hey, they are then come." And now Kojo Kyeremanteng out of bitterness. Out of privilege, we're free MPP. It is extremely difficult for us to get in. Let's embrace his people. We should go after them and talk to them and bring them back so they'll come back into a party. Yes. What say? You can never downplay or downsize Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyarko. Kennedy for no money, brain almost someone troubling in and they are not happy. No, Bawumia for they should go after them. Do you know the kind of answer Bawumia for them? And I don't go for that. Also to hell with your advice. We don't care. We can win the elections without Ken and then we'll Afenyo Markins. I'm telling you. Now the way co-position, you want to bring Ken and President Akufo Addo. The kind of course and information I have about the meat petrol. Now what's asking we intro one ka kire. So I'm called Jubilee one ka kire. Ka kitchen ka ba ko baba ko aso. I'm telling you. The oka bi anka se franco say. Me say e ka kitwa bi anka number 1 bon number 2 aso. Ka number 1 e bon number 2 aso. So wo me ka sam chewa wuntie. I told you to call your people to order. I know one national executive empire wo bonya say on the 7th of January your mama take care of any onya so muya wo ba tin sem okroma na won tumi kwampo e build the media platform now they fighting against media platform. Mama ka sam kire and no ma cancel
when I was working in Russia, MPP for Ninkaye. Nipa one body for position about by you don't joke with that outfit. That media stage, you don't joke with it. Even if you have a problem with Kennedy Agyapong, MPP for no doma communication answer. Me catch was a two things. Either send the person who said the work communication so this answer, or is a person prepared to learn the two things. What is coming out? The MPP they are not ready to learn. That's why I told you say 2028 still they can't win power. And if you have a ship which is made up of wise captains and ship a permanent ship and one captains. Tell us MPP form. I just look at them then I laugh. I mean can't say back control. I want to be factual. I want to be open. I want to be blunt and tell you the truth. Now the down Akufo Addo happy. Bawumia also happy. One, the down Akufo Addo suppress the will of the people. No more Bawumia. Me catch us any promo 37% mark Kennedy in organic. But if you look at Bawumia, they suppress the will of the people because there's a hand of God in Jubilee house we are pushing. When you are Asante Bediatuo, gabby more. Any your friend is ofori Atta they are pushing. In making sure that any power they want to control you. If you look at another down Akufo Addo, that be a MPP party. Bagunu. Shabless. Bagunu to good party. But MP some the intensive care unit. Oxygen is your muscle. A party be gumbe division beba. Just make a maybe a party in Akwaku. You see people springing up. It will more than the Arab Spring, whereby people be coming out visible, making serious damning statement that will affect the new patriotic party. Out of the 32 years of the NPP in the Fourth Republic, he has led the party for half 16 years. So I'm saying 16 years. 16 years now. True NPP members are running away. We're done. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng and Akufo Addo done 2 times. Hopeson Adorye done. A former senior administrator of the party, no into we done. Sadiq Boniface, who was likely to be the running mate for another down Akufo Addo, we done. And then more information be more information. And no business nine. Shaibu, I don't know what is happening. As a people have, can I say they have developed faith and confidence within us, especially MPP paying for not just MPP, say lightweight, NPP paying for. They are part of cabinet. They are big men in government. Now the way they call me, the way they try to express their issues to me, now it gives me a certain kind of realization. Truth always stands. Sure. The truth is a bitter pill. And the business started so cobonica. Oh yeah. And meaning says yes. Second Baba Monica ministers MMDC. I'm telling you. I must say there was a finger of your God. A hand of God. Almost I didn't name second. Yes, the hand of God. Number suppressing Musia. And free none at job by the kind of course and information I have about the new petrol. Now, what's happening? We into one a catch. So I'm called Jubilee. I want to catch it. I'm telling you. Me say the feet where they say the Okabianka a Franco say. Me say a carkit will be anchor number 1 and bond number 2 soon. Can number 1 a bond number 2 soon. So me cast some to a won't here. Me cast some to a won't here. I told you to call your people to order. Their whole information. Now, some information. I didn't defeat ya, Abba. Now, I make a power no and change your hand completely. Now, and some APP and the power change your hand. Oh, man, cast some to say. I know one national executive. Empire won't bring you say on the 7th of January. Your mama and take care of me. We have some real. What about things of Mukruma? Shabu. Me say, then be a make some trust and Kofona Pim or Messiaba. And the MPP deep fit was it a blessing in disguise? Missing and some people when I mean say MPP for because Franco I information go on phone so Franco. Na metia samna wonim obi be a friend I Duke of Furiata. I you oh and yum corner. Now person be the MP. Yes, it can for it. Martin Visa. Otherwise, yes, and a year a 14. Now, the union yakutwa a contest what Pandu he lost a primary, no. Lukuno Yeri Yakutwa or Banabema or okay. And he lost the seat at the primaries. And now Franco. And as a regional minister, I found Nabonable. And a near ma or a fellow. Mrs. Duke Ufuriata Setono Seto and a contest a Pandu seat in Lucy. That I late formation. Or Luciano and a regional minister because of the connection with that Ufuriata family. No, what fun
and I can say move the parliamentary candidate in Kwando constituency. Now on the day of elections, information na Urban Franco, time papa. Tie was say you go from Go TV. Omusika na was echo 176,000 Ghana cedis. No kura masama me bonidin. And your Francophobic sharp shooters. Omusika na else echo 8,800 Ghana cedis. Yes, Eshama Amnebutum. And a campaign team 30,000 Eshama Amnebutum. And operations including feeding, security, etc. 542,800 Egumame Butum. And Go TV coordinator allowance 1,000 constituency bia. And the sharpshooters coordinator 1,000 cities. Former constituency executives almost starting 8,000. And communication 8,000. And polling stations allowances Okani Yabuma 193,200. And constituency executives and also 80,000. And extra as electoral area coordinator 18,000. Yes, that's Kyeremanteng. And they can't be too much. The less information is anopano or ye cuckoo and then breakfast at the command polling station for a party just and you are lunch a coy and you or the supper so my best in my minister can I if you could talk to hey I like it and nipana no the information mamma many and coffee be a casa now. MPP parliamentary candidate for Panduno, Mrs. Oklo Abena Antoinette.
That is MPP for you. If it is true, I'm basing my emphasis on if it is true.
There are alleged information for Franco. Obabesia, Sisi Abena,
now, regional minister, I'm going to way
and how that's a loose bar. You want to blame it on Obi.
Regional minister, oh, Western region, could be mentioned said the the driver team Kojo Kyeremanteng say Galamsey. And I have it. No Kojo Kyeremanteng for Sika. No Gani. Why? Because MPP for no do bona team what day. We do not get one. Always they want to make people say we are mon crack to hey KD Kojo Kyeremanteng ko fa we bring sa no man of pay. They don't want to resource people. They be a car samba ko say nipa no to me resource na you take a burden from you. But any panels are also yeska. MPP from Kwan will be to meet Ranka 4 months. Oh, I know a 4 photo from Kuma say, I want information on 190 2 hours or Konoma 200 Ghana.
From almost actually,
party forward the mama by the donate money.
Mr. Party forum was
I support us. Look at how people are sacrificed for the party. Then we are catch us a politics about selfish interest. The reason why people join political parties, they say, we are there, a political party never wabai. And the dear bidding or the dear biba, as a political party for Niabi.
Franco, I want the party. Because Sika yet be issued on election day. I can win the power keeping 4 years. And I say, oh, or more scale be doing some, or more committee says, can be doing some young man.
Mr. Donna, Yankee, no more trouble. You're trouble. So I was on TV. A boy I do be 9:30, close to 11. And I mean, say my friend MPP need because I wanted some information. My friend, no, we do a minute time and moves from na shy boy. Was it Jack Manda? What's why then? Only power you be an influencer when MPP Munwada so massa. And the guy said something to me. That is why I got to believe a small car was say they make a media budget in Asante region. For a number of 5 months, Jack, Asante region, by better than doing this media for them to come and help us. Scanner could do Kwabrane or Nipana for scanning this canoe. One could be said say they can win without the media.
And now, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia post to you was said, I and some job for this for a hijack a popular media platforms.
What is he trying to say? Man, cast show. And I want to tell you something, politics on. Sometimes I might not be in the good terms with you, but I should even come to your show and talk. One, you look at the platform, you look at the control, the masses, and I know my way. I want to ask you a very simple question. When was the last time you heard the running mate or the vice presidential candidate for the NPP or Fair Ashanti Media Caucus even discuss something with them? NDC comes to Ashanti region. Yeah. That's what make it see. NDC on Ashanti region. Or invasion, Kumasi invasion. I'm saying this on authority. No one more for Kwame Tanko, so Kwame Tanko, Menembrana, ye media. And I'm Kata Tanko say media. Me Kata Tanko say about the political show. People want to listen to us. And the young Yajuma. That's what make us all. And yes, I'm in paying this for us move. But I was also looking at a different picture. Say, sure, nothing has started. So we cannot leave it there. One, the NDC in the Ashanti region. Also, Ashanti region is strong word. No, it's trying to recognize people and says, this is a media platform. I have to go to them. A do baby, Ube on one kasa NDC for no. I come on what we do. I say, Massa, we invite you, Mama, Baba Kasa. Oh, let you better man. Kofi Adams no aba, Ejenim Boateng no aba, Erika J no aba, Sammy Gyamfi no aba. They all avail themselves from mobile platforms on aba kasa. Anyafi. So be a cassette to convincing Nipa 2 krana. Nipa 2 no convince also convince another people to go and vote for the NDC. Yeah, my main concept. If you look at the MPP in Ashanti region, especially Guame, and then MPP for the year media na too extraordinary for the media to preach the agenda for them. I'm asking you, who is senior journalist? Apart from saying you have a panic king, you have a lot of influence and connections. Who starting a media money? I'm asking you. Again, the MPP for a bit this is a significant project, so you have to help the MPP, especially to execute the breaking the 8. Chama to build the media platform. Now they fighting against the media platform. And I'm not cancer. And then, when I was working with Asha, and I'm media production. It will be by NPP big man. In Paris status or Casa when you come over, so you come over, so you or born in HMC and commercial break. And I'm the trader to say commercial break. Oh, yeah, I was a Frank Kuram said, Dark I said, I'm saying, Dabby, Mr. Fatchame. Now, I won't be a friend, says, yes, I didn't tell my Balame Casano or not. I said, from my Besha make us. We can't your castle. I have to end the show abruptly and allow the person to go. MPP for Ninkaye. You don't joke with that outfit. That media stage, you don't joke with it. Even if you have a problem with Kennedy Agyapong, just not make a even if you have a problem with Kennedy Agyapong, say they are Kennedy when we are going for the election, we can't send your hammer. But Sabra Sisi. When NPP was in opposition, the only media outlet who was able to preach the agenda, preach the gospel of the NPP was Ashefe in Asante region. One thing was extremely tough. Now, to me, what was to me? But won't to me by your original chairman. And ya Kakadi could be a media outlet. A do baby, no more for Ashefe. Other media platform quite a SEO. Now, say, Ashefe from Kubunku to Jokra bomb pie chain and go Ponzamunko position. Yeah. Because public forum, people's forum, when Noma ask them why yet, I show commitment and dedication to the new patriotic party. Is it the kind of reward? Now, Kadia Kwan have fesse, more bang, must add a big master's, a big degree. It will be a shame baby, but we won't call it 2 times and 3 times and Frank just defend the MP. And frankly, me, I don't feel so much in I guess a projected party towards a wrong me. Wound to me. They do wound to me now, campus a permanent lesson. Because I wound to me, good wound to me, all trans and Nema, wound to me, or Asante Bediatuo, only Angel, yes, a businessman, or so party, or a lot of media platforms. Now we're ungrateful. Now, my name is Wasem. This is almost an MP before collection. I'm a easy fan. They'll be good. When NPP was in opposition and they needed money to do campaign, and your angel, when they more pick up some muska. But this same party comes to power, fight angel. Omakasa Debbie, we are Sante Samdo, and a young girl or a woman Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. So we will fight against this lady. We will suppress the mass. Najumana Wayan, you don't make sure say Obenya issue. MPP are contest solution. They want to put the blame on someone. So what you want to me that platform? Ubi want to be MPP. But instead of some other neutral stations, no, na manya floating voters, no, na chama won't me fish on the media platform, a bit my bibia. How can you
Captain Smart. You may not like him, but Hopeson win election. Captain Smart, the only presenter. Ultimately, so 20K live. I get what you 20K live. You are fighting him.
Me, I have one thing in my mind.
Yeah.
Though people know me to be maybe an NPP person, but me, I don't subscribe. Talking at MPP station. I don't know why. So me back MPP station na me kasa. Host na woto no. Obi ja sake kan kwase asem bia person ka.
Nako.
If there was something I work on, it's not based on facts. Once I'm now working the prima facie case, you are just making comments. Only locus in our casa. When it is a neutral station, it pushes you and urges you to learn.
Yeah.
See, Kona Okono Kwakushia NDC, Okwakushia CP, Okwakushia PNC. Hosuna Okwakushia, so intellectual and elite. Oh, my own cast among found. So the person will push you to go and learn. To me, I have always in my life never been happy to a biased station. Say one day, you know, MPP no NDC. The new patriotic party, they have failed to identify their problems and still offering solutions might also be a problem for them. They're not beside me say MPP for no do not come to answer. Me catch was two things. Either say depending who said the work come so this answer, or is a person prepared to learn two things.
Yeah.
Two things. Per what is coming out, the MPP they are not ready to learn. That is why I told you say 2028 still they can't win power. They are starting battle. They are not ready to. And if you have a ship which is made up of wise captains and ship a term
ship recon
and yan captains no a term
we see a far
it is a warrior or bano say be an aniso so Jimmy for the dinner for you to make sure thank you. Shala Sisi, MPP form, I just look at them, then I laugh. Oh, La Sisi, you are not serious. I'm telling you as a brother.
Now, Frank, I didn't MPP, the Bassam come say MPP Parliament presidential candidate, and Lufu elections, sir. On person that transfer access the other. When a man Lucy, Kufo the man another Lucy, and the Bawumia so claims another man Lucy. Was it? I say, MPP presidential candidate. Election Lusua. On people that he want to blame on someone.
Yes.
Now to tap. If you could phone a born another buga and then Bawumia so claiming teams they claim say they
don't have any substance. They don't have any locus to say that. They don't have any locus to say that. Shabla Sisi, it is our duty and responsibility to enlighten Ghanaians. My main cancer back control. Today I want to be factual. I want to be open, I want to be blunt and tell you the truth. Now the down call Akufo Addo happy, but me also happy.
Now do happy, and the Bawumia party chichimu.
One. Now the down call Akufo Addo suppress the will of the people. No more Bawumia. Me cut us any promo to 37% mark Kennedy organic.
Yeah.
Apart from Bawumia, any people vote to be any organic. But if you look at Bawumia, they suppress the will of the people because there's a hand of God in Jubilee House we are a pushy. When you Asante Bediatuo gabby mo, and your friend is ofori they are pushing in making sure that any power they want to control him. Now, me can say me just go and do empirical research. There is no president. All the chairman and vice president. About 98% of them they go to election they lose.
In America, Kamala Harris.
They lose. When do you
they just ended one?
They lose. Reason in say you are part and parcel of the vehicle. What the car be? Everyone I made no be a driver. One am taking concrete decisions in the car. It is a car now. Copy my didn't say the car. There be young for car. That is how it is. Now, if you look at another done with this straight credit, not we will not just make you co-driver. Oh, maybe. If you look at another done called Akufo Addo, that be a mechanical MPP party.
Ogunu.
Shabless.
Babon to
good party. But MP some of the intensive care unit. Oxygen is your muscle. A casa party will be good division beba. Just want to make a maybe a party in Kwaku Annan. You see people springing up. It will more than the Arab Spring. Whereby people be coming out visible, making serious damning statement that will affect the new patriotic party.
You Asante Kaso.
I say you
watching you other.
Eugene the question. Me, I know what I'm Eugene don't carry. Eugene the elementary stages. Eugene won't carry primary won't carry.
Boakye Agyarko so
Sisi. Then be a cite example now say. I do my lead party for 3 years. Yeah. Young son will be more party. Jacob Fall led the party for 12 years. Or one among the true NPP came to the MPP. That be I was not an example now. Francis says, Major College Kashigamo, Pakwasi Indu, Freddie Blamo, no more MPP for. They came to the MPP. Under another down Akufo Addo is the only person out of the 32 years of the NPP in the Fourth Republic. He has led the party for 16 years. Shall we say 16 years? 16 years now. True NPP members are running away. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng and Akufo Addo were done 2 times. We've done it 2 times. Hopeson Adorye, a former senior administrator of the party, and not into Wegane. Sadiq Boniface, who was likely to be the running mate for another Danko Akufo Addo, Wegane.
Communication director.
So look at the names. I'm not saying yes. Sammy Kennedy. When you true in Kofa party, no, they are with the party.
And Bonnie, not so. Or Kakano Babe coordinator or so other condition or
Mammy Council show. Open party back home in Kaya MPP. Go and ask how La Bianca died. Okay, La Bianca.
Yeah, La Bianca fools.
Go and ask how.
And a camera.
Me say go and ask how La Bianca. Or fast so Simon,
and as a former Royal Bank, we are also.
You are Kikabi.
Royal Bank,
if you look at Akufo Addo, Mahamadu Bawumia wasn't the preferred candidate. My name is Wasem. All factors of Mijina Sosa Bawumia family president in Yano. Mijina in 2020, it affected him in 2024. One, also Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is coming from the Islam community. Yeah. He's a Muslim. And to do elections now. Ghana, about 14% of us are Muslim.
17.
Oh, they are 17. Yeah. Let's make it say 14% qualifies for Motuaba. That 14% will vote for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. I didn't hear. Yes, he is a Muslim. Yeah. Go and do your checks. Mahamadu Bawumia lost a lot in the Zongo communities. No, no, can't answer.
Yet Zongo ministry, man.
I yet Zongo ministry every year. Every year. Mahamadu Bawumia to do did touch before. Also, I be seeing model school video. Yeah. I could see say. I'm going to see.
West Arabia can ever be University Hospital. We are 42 SHS.
Me say. I could see say.
For a good damn that could be.
I want that be and I yes so free stream. Yes, he's going to wrestle power with John Dramani Mahama. If you go to
neutral Mahama,
thank you. Now, if you go to all these kind of other regions, only one region pen will be to John Mahama, the home region.
And the corner is also.
I said, Ben,
134.
But be a Mama Bunny Chin.
87,000.
But be a Mama Bunny or Bunny Chin or Bono. The Bianame car say, which I'll say. And your mama is setting the tempo and the pace. Emma MPP for the Chekui Bawumia Montiasi. Now, Frank will be Kobobo. No, not Chelsea for keeper with them. And I will carry for keeper with them. And I'm a kind of Montimasen. Your mama is a communicator. And he was very smart. And look, put MPP to a tight corner. Hey, and go forward. I'm the Bawumia me bono. So how to play safe? And I'll say, I'm the Bawumia donkey work in a year. Oh, my Bawumia may have the flag of MPP. What can I say? Boy, I cannot bring a crew. Try. Yet Bawumia, in the eyes of the NPP, Bawumia was more popular. In the eyes of the Ghanaians, not Bawumia or unpopular. Now, Saibu, and you was a baby Bawumia free the northern part. Yet me can't polling station on your zero.
No, Mama, 1,000.
Hey,
NPP party agents, no more.
Are you not surprised? Mahamadu Bawumia. And to know the radio business of Castle Mahamadu Bawumia, you had the any criminals on man, it went against it.
Frankly, sir, Bawumia zero. Not almost claim say between Kusat for him and Puli for instance. Would they be able to resolve assembly before 2020?
Oh, shall I see? Me,
I said, to be a man. Me, as I want to be a man.
I don't want to do tribalism. Yeah. But I'm going to pass what some new fan cheddar.
A sim for the be only that be. Say, I say,
I engage
I say, a crew at Tingan or more.
Okay.
And I think that's a kind of crew. No, the cafe also that be that. Yeah, I started. I started. I don't know. And the others was a cafe before someone for which tell me. And Getrude, don't know. Thank you. I know when him say, Bawumia ever yet president. The tribe will not person or suppress someone, and they won't make it happen. That my main cousin, it got to a point, and Asante Bediatuo who's my mistake. I'm telling you,
Shall today permit me, me candy, the message, me say, a boom, maybe no, as an phone was my mistake. You know why? A car back 3 months to the elections. That was where the reality was coming out.
I feel not as some like a CP.
A room, maybe no. No more yet a typical Asante areas. Bawumia coffin with pushing them away. What can I say, maybe? The one MPP for na free catcher, you say. Yeah. Samira Bawumia Bawumia Campaign. Na Kano Mutimuno. Mameno, or any crone for a cassa be no more muyas and the phone of Mutim. Eh, Nanya made first lady in Pony. Now be the first lady better than Yasem. I want to tell you something. Bawumia coffin Mudinachino, who were hailing from the northern part of Ghana, they didn't help Bawumia. They blocked the accounts away. Moya power now, Sabu. Moncola power the buy, you know, Munche. Me say, a blue baby. Now, if you look at the Akufo Addo number 1, number 1 security, number 2 security a problem. I know what I'm telling you. Number 1 security, and number 2 security no more problem. Do you know why? Number 1 security for no one said the bed and I can friend 1 man, number 2 for no. Number 2 friend catch them what the mood into Munkofi. Ish. Yes, sir, I have a book. Shabu. Omad the mood into Munkofi. And a pack shabu. Issues by no more dear. Now, I'm almost not taste of Jubilee House of meeting. I don't want to catch you. Sir, information. You cannot catch on a very, very credible. Shabla Sisi, from great. And Nipamino, and MPP lose no more show. Also, one, another don't quite good. As one make a say, and I'm saying this on authority, they should come and challenge him some lie. So, not Lucia. 2, Kennedy Agyapong. So, I had I must say, the all chances and the comments of Kennedy Agyapong, it aided and abetted the NEC to do campaign against the MPP. I must say, can some of it has affected the new patriotic party into a more say Kennedy Agyapong MPP co-position. And someone can that is another thing. And some man can make no, and some are Ghana for him, and I can I almost like can go by. I must say. Kennedy voices, you know. We end any issue as a soundbite. I want to ask one question. Okay. And someone like Kennedy can answer, if it is even true, say, or no position, the kind of comments and the utterances that you will say, was it true or not? No, so what is the problem? We can't man Ghana for whom say, more a man for bond, Mokwaji. Now, can a man who say haircut, Modiaba? Yes. Can a man who say dollar, yes. And you know. Ghana for na wajini sika franco ade ba ko MP for ye ya me ko position na me de and say franco wajini sika me de akwa akoto bon me nim say bia the next 5 years now we say me de 15 years wo na wo man kwa how can you tell me say betumi na ntumi wo de kwa de so kwa de wo kwa echi the same bomb I'm catch us some death structure we say there is a death restructuring bomb ne hu na ya cheska ne mu yensa na aban na fa ba ko de minu ama na we no na da me hu say MPP be co position eswa ba Akufo Addo buy in the first appointment or the maoba I grow Akufo. Thank you na so far Akufo mame no chief justice mame no she was even part of the campaign a friend say demonstration mame abrewo da Akufo na mu say emere one nkokwaye demonstration to be da and we say no Ken na don't go about until. Hey, I don't know what it be. Me say Ken na don't go about until. Yes. I'm so. You know say right. Can I see? Hey, and also so crowd and say you look straight into the eyes of Bawumia and told him say we be 2 for 1 fa. How 2 for so are they? Or catch us say me 2 for. Catch now say. Kwaya won call for na fa so mo yo mo no ma no. It will bring confusion and chaos in the party. Why? What do you say? Now the don't Kojo said sometimes we might have issues with him. But Akufo Addo catch a Bawumia for and say, hey, they are then a kakon. And now Kojo Kyeremanteng out of bitterness, out of privilege, what free MPP do. It is extremely difficult for us to get him. Let's embrace his people. We should go after them. and talk to them and bring them back
so they'll come back into your party.
Yes. What say? You can never downplay or downsize Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong. Kennedy for no money, brain almost someone trouble in and they are not happy. No, but for they should go after them. Do you know the kind of answer Bamianko for them? And I don't go for that. Also, to hell with your advice. We don't care. We can win the elections without Ken and then we're Afenyo Markins. I'm telling you. Now the way co position, you want to bring Ken and President Akufo Addo. I'm saying the Akufo Addo born here or here and say, "Oh my Bawumia flag." If you're able to surprise the will of the people, but if also want to reaffirm and wash one son, today it is coming back to hunt you. The Bawumia one for the new and some papa. What is Akufo Addo? No, me saying somewhere and then person Mugu President and somewhere urban. And there's going to be a subdivision in front of the MPP. I say, Franco, Sikasem, I say, you to food who Sikasem. Now, but 10 come back. Do you know, say, Asante Bediatuo might make any security meeting that be ahead of elections. Asante Bediatuo telling you, Saibo. Abra Richard Miss ahead of. When was the last time the regional minister met the running meet? Someone now say I'm planning ahead of elections for 2024. My security meetings. Messages will come and tell me some lying. And Oko elections say dear now expect apart from defeat. You want to blame it on Kennedy Agyapong. Let's see. Yes, maybe say. Me assembly me so you know me. I'll tell you the truth. Say na say me so. Me cannot credit just say na. It's just how we claim. Oh, that be shabu. Me say. Omunko bisa. If there was a regional about a special party for quite fast so you be prosecute elections, you know. Can you also be a end? We probably too influential in Asante region ahead of these elections where you are too. Very influential. He is the only person who is able to talk. People say did the running mate have a formal discussion with him? Maybe. What can you bring on board? I'm asking, but I need a do last meet and name of showcase and make a party on my put on easy. Me saying some of what I do to a corner schools again at Waba. Make a moment, yes, I know so much of catch up, papa. He should prepare himself for this. So they've had a meeting. Meeting now, Koku say, Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong, they are coming after him. I am for Mr. Meba. They are coming after him. Some of them are coming after him. No, a royalist of Bawumia. Just want to make a choni. And can they foresee? Okay. I'm just passing an information to you. Okay. So from our papa, they are coming after Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong. But frankly, somewhere they should prepare. Because a man for a dog told drips in Fidina. Drips in Fidina. The only manager drips in Fidina near my never be a free prayer. Any or more system, and never be our massa. When they come, and some hope. More information, I say. Well, now, Franco, on the election day, she can call. And now, or more could discuss on Quebo. So they can want it. But I make a scare could be back or first can in with me. And the Franco, so Uncle Forson and Yabra catch about me as on for second term. The Franco, and you know, maybe such a Dr. Mamu or a leader into a who's animal. I'm a sort of politician. Always I tell you. What I do? A party out. MPP are coalitions are coalition. Now, but winning elections, no, they lost it. And they did the day before election, but they did it. They messed up. Some more campaign. Yeah. No more campaign chairman. Na campaign chairman come woman campaign as a chairman say. So to work for it's a recipe for disaster. And the first general secretary to capture power for the NPP from opposition to power. He has a lot of in-depth knowledge and experience. I even understand said that Bochi Kwabena Agyapong. You don't come to elections. Mama can't say back on your shabla sisi. Many papa Kwamena me. And that Bochi say watching on. And a Bawumia also chair and watching one. And you expect to go. Only papa was controlling the party. There be the campaign. Any party. One way. Are you a feeling by Fakabu? Are you a feeling by Fakabu? I know stuff. Are you a feeling? And I know more come to MPP elections with. Oh, then that be also party no moody. Me say because you can't catch the party like this. Me say you be see you. We want to be sure you catch us a massa. What I mean when you abano. Yeah, when a power you see us.
Yeah, you will see us.
I know what I'm telling you.
I did ABC. And yes, we cousin. Now you say,
the NPP is no more the NPP we used to know. They now need someone who can come and give them freedom. They need someone who should come and help them. Because I normally see Sláps are not doing. It's extremely difficult and it's extremely dangerous how things are going. The party will be a party in the there's going to be sharp division and front in the party. Maybe I say a prophet, maybe a prophet to Shabu. I said, what's some kind me say, Asama making, don't be surprised. If Mahamadu Bawumia comes for the second time, Akufo Addo doesn't support him.
Second time, they're not supporting.
Me say,
how? Me darling boy.
Shabu, opa for a car to so. Never be to so. Now, men can't just say do 2027. Now, but me unity say oba
2026.
2026. You see what Nanan call for royalists of Rana will say about him. Shabu, me say, it is more than a tsunami. I'm telling you as a brother. Then me catch you say, I'm here. The NPP will go down as CPP. Namu di diako. There's going to be a clear division and factions and camps. NPP will be any nyansa and to come home. Shabu, obiani nyansa. Don't be surprised if you see another spring coming from Eastern region.
Spring up forever. Another spring or spring up forever.
Shabu, me say, don't be surprised. Say Eastern region. Another camp ever. That camp ever that is coming like fire. Don't joke with it.
Yo, waiting for waiting and summer abeto. Yep, so make our say so we can subscribe to channel idea but more than say over subscribe. Now feel well like video give us a thumbs up and share my offer for so now when you be here since hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me de bravo. Also bet me otchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho e comment box ni mu. Mobati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.